Hello, space explorers, and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. We are about to go on an incredible adventure through our solar system.
Just imagine for a second, what if you could hop into your very own rocket ship and just blast off? Whoa, a real trip through space to see every single planet up close. How cool would that be?
You know, every great adventure has to start somewhere, and ours? It starts right in the middle of everything, with our amazing home star.
Okay, so what is the sun really? Well, it's a gigantic, glowing star. Think of it as the super powerful engine of the solar system. It's right at the center, and it gives us all the light and warmth we need to live and play here on Earth. Wait a second, what's an orbit? That is a fantastic question. Imagine there's an invisible racetrack that goes all the way around the sun. Each planet has its own special lane on that track, and that path is its orbit. All right, astronauts, time to buckle up. Let's blast off and start our grand tour of the planets. Hey, let's try to count them as we go. There are 8 in total.
Okay, first up on our tour are the 2 planets that are the closest to the sun. Let's go say hello to Mercury and Venus.
So Mercury is the little guy. It's the smallest planet in the whole solar system, and its neighbor, Venus, is the hottest. I mean, it is seriously hot there. Way, way hotter than any oven on Earth. All right, leaving those hot planets behind us, our next stop is a really famous one. You've probably heard of it. It's known for its awesome color. Yep, we're headed to Mars, the red planet. So why is Mars red? That's a great question. It's because the whole planet is covered in this kind of rusty-colored dust. And you know what's really cool? We've actually sent little robot explorers all the way from Earth to drive around on Mars and check out its giant volcanoes.
Okay, hold on to your helmets, everyone, because we are now heading out to see the biggest planets in the entire solar system. Get ready to be amazed by the giants, Jupiter and Saturn.
Whoa, is Jupiter really that huge? Oh, it absolutely is. Jupiter is so big that you could take all the other planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, all of them, and they would all fit inside Jupiter at the same time. Can you believe it? Wow, okay, so what about Saturn's rings? Are they solid? You know, that's what a lot of people think, but they're not. Those beautiful rings are actually made of billions and billions of tiny bits of ice and rock, all spinning around the planet together. And its neighbor, Jupiter, has a giant storm on it called the Great Red Spot that's been raging for hundreds of years. Okay, let's do a quick challenge. We just met the 2 giant planets. Do you remember which one is the absolute biggest planet in the whole solar system? I'll give you a moment to think. Did you guess Jupiter? If you did, you are absolutely right. Let's keep going. We're traveling way out to the edge of our solar system now. Brr, it's getting chilly out here. That's because we're about to visit the last 2 planets on our tour, the icy worlds of Uranus and Neptune. These planets are so interesting. Uranus is a really cold planet, and it's kind of funny because it spins on its side, almost like it's rolling through space. And then there's Neptune. It's the farthest planet from the sun, which makes it super dark, cold, and incredibly windy. And there you have it. We've now visited all 8 planets. Wow, what a trip. But, you know, it's time to head back home. We're going to visit the most important, most special planet of them all, our beautiful home. After seeing all those other incredible worlds, the rocky ones, the hot ones, the giants, and the icy ones, it feels really good to be back. Welcome home, explorers. So wait, is Earth the only planet with people and animals and oceans? That's right. As far as we know, Earth is the only planet that has life. Because it's the 3rd planet from the sun, it's in the perfect spot. Not too hot and not too cold. And that makes it the most amazing place in the whole universe for us. Hey, for all the teachers and parents watching along, this is a perfect time to hit pause and ask your young explorer a very important question. Which planet do we live on? You have all been such fantastic space adventurers today, so I think it's time for a quick fun quiz to see what we learned on our trip. You ready? Let's do it. Okay, question number 1. What do we call that big glowing star right in the center of everything? I'll give you a hint. It keeps us warm. It's the sun. Awesome. You got it. All right, question number 2. Which super special planet, the 3rd one from the sun, is our home? Of course, it's our planet, Earth. Fantastic. And here's the last question. What are all those big round objects that travel around the sun on those invisible racetracks we talked about? They're called planets. You got it.
You all did an incredible job. Our space tour is over. For now. But I've got one last big question for you to dream about. If you could build a cool space base on any of the other planets we visited today, which one would you pick and why? Think about it. We'll see you next time, Space Explorers.